Gauri and I'm a legal intern with Lexington Company. In this video, I'll be discussing types of patent applications. First is the provisional patent application. When you're not quite finished with your idea and want to draw time to continue working on the research and creation of your innovation, while at the same time not wanting to lose out on the priority date, you file a provisional application. It's possible for a tentative specification to have claims or not. You have 12 months from the date of filing a provisional application to submit a full patent application. Your application will be cancelled if you don't submit a full patent application within 12 months following the filing of your provisional patent application. Second is the divisional patent application. If a claimant's application includes claims to more than one invention, the claimant may split the application and submit two or more applications, one for each invention, on his own or in response to an official objection. A divisional application is a kind of application that is split from its parent application. All divisional applications shall have the same stated priority date as the parent application. A divisional application's patent period is 20 years from the time the main application was filed. Third is the additional patent application. For a patent of addition may be made by the applicant when he develops an enhancement or modification of the invention specified or revealed in the main application for which he has already made an application or secured a patent. Only after the main or parent patent has been obtained may an additional patent be issued. Throughout the duration of the primary patent, there is no need to pay a separate renewal fee for the patent of addition. A patent of addition must be issued for the same duration as the patent for the primary invention and terminates with it. The date of filing is the day that the patent application for the addition was submitted. Lastly, there is complete patent application. A complete application is one that is submitted along with a complete specification that fully and specifically describes the invention, including the best way to implement it. It may be submitted immediately or within a year of the provisional patent application submission. That brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comments. Thank you.